Okay guys, so this is the wig straight out of its packaging. Simple construction, and it has straps. This is what the wig looks like right on my head. Super curly. This is cute, but we are going for a curly fro. Let's do it. Okay, what we're gonna do is separate all of these cute little curls. So as you guys can see, it's starting to come to life. Having one of these helps a lot. So we're gonna take the comb and keep fluffing it out. Let's start this side. Keep fluffing it. It's gonna get super poofy. You see guys, we're getting there. Just keep fluffing it out. Don't. Okay, so we are fluffed. Now we have to cut the bangs. So you're gonna pull this and you're just gonna cut. This one is cut. Now let's do this side. As so. Keep going. And there you have it. This is the finished wig, and you could just fluff it with your hands if you want it to be more poofy. So there you have it. That is how you prep and style your curly fro wigs that you purchase from my website. I'm gonna switch into the orange one just to show you guys for demonstrations. So this is the infamous orange wig that you guys probably found my wigs from. Still my favorite. Thanks for watching, guys.